Alright, here's a look at one of the Moog parts, stabilizer link. As you can see, let's take a close up here. Come on, focus. The only thing I noticed is the threads were hit a little bit on, was it this side? Actually, it was on both sides, but here, I think you can see them right there. Anyways, this is for a 2008 Nissan Sentra, and it has the nipple for the greaser there. Also, I bought these for my old ones, and I can actually use them here as well. So you can see. So I'll put those on after I put these on, but of course I gotta make sure that they're the right length. They're supposed to fit on it, but I just want to make sure. So that's that, and this is what they look like. Let me show you, see if I can get a close-up of the actual metal here. The weird part is, let me see here, right where the joint is, sometimes it feels like there's a lip right in there, but it seems fine. On the back they do say Moog. Kind of weird, but as you can see, I got all this grease all over me. Not grease, but it's like this dark dust powder or something. Anyway, just hope the camera gets this. So let me go and show you this. Where is it? So this, both are actually made in Mexico. As you can see right here. I ordered Moog parts before, and I had one that was from Korea, so you never know what you're gonna get. But so far I've gotten more from Mexico, and I guess that's where they're making it, because if you look at here, it's Federal Mogul. So I know they make a whole other parts, but anyways, this is what I got. So there's information there in case you need it. More parts. The one thing I did notice on this, since obviously there's no manual, on the bag that they come in, they actually have the torque specifications for the bar, which is nice because I just checked the service manual and that's actually correct, 30 foot-pounds. So that way you're not over tightening these, and this is the part number on this one. So I like that. I didn't have that on the other parts, but there's that. So those are the 2008 Nissan Sentra stabilizer links that I just got, and I'll be replacing those along with the spark plugs. So I just want to take a close-up on these. Oh, by the way, the size nut here is 18 on the front and the back, so that's pretty good. They're both the same. I don't know what the ones on the car are, but I know they're completely, at least one side is completely gone, so that's why they need to get changed, because it makes that noise when you basically turn. It's not bad, but you know, when you turn left or right, I think you can feel it. I don't know if it's just left or right, but I know left, you always hear it. So I checked them, and it's time to get them replaced on that car. So there you have it. If you have any questions or if you tried these before, go ahead and put a comment below and let me know what you think. I know some people don't like them because their quality has gone down or something. I never used them before, so I couldn't tell you. Except for the upper joints, upper ball joints that I use on my Miata, 91 Miata, and so far they have been working. Actually, I think the lower ones too. Yeah, I think it was the lower one because that one's the Chinese one that broke and left me stranded. So there you go. That's what the Moog from Mexico looks like, or at least a stabilizer bar.